What's up, folks? Welcome back. Today we will discuss the best 5 pocket knives according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Best for camping, Spyderco Tenacious C122PBK. This is the knife of choice for countless savvy knife users due to its unrivaled combination of affordability and performance. Its overall weight is reduced by nearly 12% thanks to its injection molded fiberglass-reinforced-nylon handle scales. Its shape, combined with an oversized Spyderco Round Hole and textured spine jimping, will allow you to open the blade and confidently position your thumb on the spine, ready for work. When it comes to the blade, it has a 3.39-inch 8CR13MOV stainless blade that is ground flat from the spine to the cutting edge for non-stop cutting. In addition to these features, it also comes with a Walker LinerLock and a black 4-way pocket clip, allowing the folder to be carried and drawn in a variety of ways. Best for hunting, Buck 110. This fabulous ebony diamond wood folding hunter is handcrafted in the United States and comes with a limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty. This stunning knife is 4 7/8 inches long, weighs only about 7.4 ounces, and is brand new and never before sharpened blades. It makes use of a 3/4 inch locking clip blade, and this blade is made of 420 HC stainless steel, and the tang is stamped with Buck 110 USA. The handle is made of a ebony diamond wood with a brass 50th anniversary inlay shield, while its bolsters are made of highly polished brass. Additionally, a black leather sheath and an authenticity certificate are included with the knife. Best for fishing, Victorinox Fisherman. This Swiss Army knife is compact and ready to face any adventure. It was created with the needs of fishermen in mind, so naturally it includes a fish scaler and a hook disgorger. Its large blade has a long-lasting precision-honed sharpened edge that makes clean, accurate cuts and is corrosion resistant. Coming with a fish scaler made of first-rate durable stainless steel that is razor sharp, it allows for easy bait cutting while also precisely cleansing scales from freshwater and saltwater fish. It also has a hook disgorger, making it ideal for removing hooks from fish with teeth or deeply hooked fish while sea fishing, carp fishing, fly fishing, camping, or boating. Finally, you will also find a bottle opener made of stainless steel that is sturdy and durable and can be used to open wine, beer, soft drinks, soda water, Coca-Cola, and other beverages. A 6mm screwdriver, wire stripper, reamer punch, and sewing awl, half-size Phillips screwdriver, scissors, ruler, multi-purpose hook, toothpick, tweezers, and a key ring are also included. Best for self-defense, Spyderco Civilian. This is a velociraptor claw in a pocket. It has a slim profile and aggressive serrations that allow it to rip through clothing and soft tissue. It includes a patented reverse S blade that can be used like an oversized claw, and the tip is ground to an extremely thin profile. The VG10 ground blade excels at slicing and is available fully spider-edged. Also, it comes deeply curved and full at the belly. It is not intended or designed for general utility or everyday use due to its distinctly specialized features. Finally, for the handle, its black G10 handle is curved in all right places for ergonomic use and knife retention, while its 2-position clip on the right side allows for discreet tip-up or tip-down carry. Best EDC, Kershaw Emerson CQC10K. Although it is marketed as a hunting knife, this can be used for any outdoor activity, including camping and bushcrafting. It is intended to help split wood, clear brush, and start fires by reducing hand fatigue during difficult tasks such as cutting, skinning, boning, and filleting. Its blade is made of 8CR14MOV steel, a carbon-dense heat-treated compound that provides strength, hardness, and edge retention. The handle has a 410 bead blasted finish, which is a fine medium of glass and aluminum oxide beads applied at a high speed and pressure to create a non-reflective finish. It has a frame lock to ensure that open blade remains stable and secure. In addition to these have a pre-drilled holes that allow the user to change the tip position or side on which the knife is carried. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.